Hi, today I'll be talking about obesity. By the end of this module, you'll be able to describe what obesity is, list at least 2 risk factors for obesity, discuss how obesity is diagnosed and treated, and discuss how to prevent obesity. To achieve these objectives, we'll focus on the following areas. What is obesity? Risk factors for obesity, health effects of obesity diagnosis and treatment, and obesity prevention. What is obesity? Obesity may be defined as weight that is higher than what is considered as a healthy weight for a given height. Some risk factors for obesity include lack of awareness, fast food culture, excessive food intake, and caloric imbalance. Calories measure the amount of energy in food or drink. The amount of calories needed by a person is dependent on a number of factors such as age and lifestyle. Growing children and teenagers, for example, need more calories than the elderly. Adults and children have different caloric needs. Women and men also have different caloric needs. On average, children need about 1,600 to 2,200 calories per day. Women, 2,000 calories, and men, about 2,500 calories. Health effects of obesity. Obesity is known to cause type 2 diabetes, breathing disorders, heart disease, stroke, and cancer, among others. Obesity diagnosis. Here are some ways to diagnose obesity. Doctor review of weight history, measurement of skin fold thickness, and calculating body mass index. Body mass index, or BMI, is an estimate of body fat based on comparing a person's weight to their height. Oftentimes, the higher a person's BMI, the higher their risk of obesity. The goal of obesity treatment is to help people stay at a healthy weight. This can be done through dietary change, prescription medications for weight loss, and in certain cases, surgery. Many of the strategies that result in successful weight loss and maintenance also help to prevent obesity. Recommendations for preventing obesity include eating healthy foods, exercising, reducing time in front of the TV and computers to less than 2 hours a day, and encouraging children to eat only when they are hungry. Thank you. Here are some references for further reading.